To earn money from YouTube, you need to first create a YouTube channel and start posting videos that meet YouTube's community guidelines. Once you have a significant number of subscribers and views, you can monetize your content through YouTube's partner program. To join the partner program, you need to meet certain criteria such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You can then apply to join the program and, if accepted, you can monetize your videos by enabling ads on them. YouTube pays you a portion of the revenue generated by the ads that appear on your videos. The exact amount you earn depends on various factors such as the number of views, the demographics of your audience, and the type of ads that are displayed. Apart from ads, you can also earn money from YouTube through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. However, it's important to note that earning a substantial income from YouTube requires consistent effort and dedication in creating quality content and building a loyal audience. To monetize your channel on YouTube, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Here are the steps to follow. Meet the eligibility criteria. Your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Sign up for the YouTube Partner Program. Go to the YouTube Studio dashboard and click on the Monetization tab. Then, click on the Start button and follow the steps to sign up for the program. Set up monetization for your videos. Once you're accepted into the program, you can enable monetization for your videos by turning on ads. You can do this for individual videos or for your entire channel. Review your monetization settings. Make sure you review your ad settings to ensure that they align with your content and audience. You can also choose the types of ads you want to display on your videos. Meet the payment threshold. YouTube pays you a portion of the revenue generated by the ads that appear on your videos. You will need to meet the payment threshold, which is $100, before you can receive payment. It's important to note that monetizing your channel on YouTube requires consistent effort and dedication in creating quality content and building a loyal audience. It's also important to follow YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service to avoid any issues with monetization. YouTube has a monetization policy that outlines the rules and requirements for creators who want to monetize their content on the platform. Here are some of the key points of the policy. Eligibility. Creators must meet certain eligibility criteria to monetize their content, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Advertiser-friendly content. Creators must ensure that their content is advertiser-friendly and does not violate YouTube's community guidelines or terms of service. Content that is deemed inappropriate or controversial may not be eligible for monetization.